guys, this is Dana with Dara Holsters showing you the quick ship in stock holster for the Smith & Wesson Shield. Doing a very fast safety check, make sure everything is cleared. This is our quick ship in stock holster. This is for the Smith & Wesson Shield 940 version. It'll fit the original and the M 2.0. As you can see, it is pretty lightweight. It comes with a curved clip, which is our patented new clip that is curved to mimic the curve of the waistband, and it offers 100% contact to the belt at all times in any position. As you can see, it pops right on there, follows that curve really nicely, and there's 2 tabs to get it on and off the belt pretty quick. So it's pretty secure. A lot of people gripe about the one clip holster and how it's unstable, but I mean, even off the pants, this is pretty tight on there. You just have to have a good belt. So all Dara holsters come with an adjustable retention system held at the trigger guard. This adjustable retention system was designed by us specifically to be used with our holsters. Stock holsters come with an adjustable cant angle. The cant angle is adjustable from straight draw, which is perfect for appendix carry, to 15-degree forward cant, which is perfect for on the hip or slightly behind. Our quick ship holsters come for a right-handed shooter. Left-handed holsters can be purchased as custom holsters or for custom quick ships. The custom quick ships are shipped in about 3 days with a limited option set, but you do have the option for a different color, different draw hands, as well as about 250 different firearms, whereas custom holsters offer all of the options, so about 400 different firearms, 9 different colors, way different cant angles, ride heights, all kinds of different stuff, extended mag releases, all of the good stuff. We can accommodate extended mag releases within our quick ship holsters. We just need to know about it. It might delay the shipping, might be the next day that it gets out, but that is something that we can do. Just let us know you have that. Also, if you have a threaded barrel, we are able to accommodate that. Also, something that we need to know prior to shipment. It might delay it a little bit too. The only thing that we cannot do with our quick ships is suppressor height sights, because the holster is already made with this sight channel. Our quick ship holsters have a slightly taller sight channel, so they're able to accommodate most aftermarket sights, such as big dot sights, fiber optic sights, night sights. Any of that, don't feel bad about upgrading because they're already accommodated for. The only thing that we need to know about is suppressor height sights. In that case, you're going to have to get a custom holster so that we can accommodate for that. Another great detail is the muzzle coverage on the quick ship holster. You're going to see a slight wrap. That means that the holster edges ever so slightly wrap around the edge of the muzzle. This gives you a little bit more comfort when you're wearing it inside the waistband, and it doesn't, if you have it out, it's not going to hit anything on the muzzle end and scratch your gun or anything like that. As you can tell, there's a very nice audible click when the firearm is fully seated. That's because this holster is precisely molded to the exact firearm that it's intended for. It's not going to fit anything else. Don't even try it. People ask all the time and it just doesn't work. So you've got your adjustable cant angle, your adjustable retention, your full sweat shield, all the nice rounded polished edges. You've got your muzzle coverage slightly rounded down there. You have your taller sight channel. These holsters are in stock. They ship really, really quick, same day, unless it's a weekend or a holiday that'll ship the next business day. They come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you buy it, you try it for 30 days, it's just not your thing, or you decide you want, to put a light on it, you can go ahead and return it. We'll send you a shipping label, and you can either get a full refund or you can exchange for a custom holster, anything that you want. They also come with a lifetime warranty. If anything happens to the holster, if it breaks, we've never really had that happen, but we will send a replacement or fix whatever you don't like, free of charge.